welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload any new video, you are the first one to get notified. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is going to be another haul video, and this time I have shopped from two different websites, one being Myntra and the another being Nykaa. So firstly, we'll start from the products I've got from Nykaa. This is the box here, and now I'll open this and let's see what do we have here. Although I've already tried all of these because I couldn't resist myself from trying these out. So the first one here is a nail paint, and this one is from the Masaba by Nykaa collection. This shade is called Touch Me Not 279, and this is a shade which comes between pink and red. This is a really dark shade of pink, and these shades are specially meant for Indian skin tone, which I think is a great thing. And I genuinely love Masaba Gupta. I think her designs are so exquisite, and there is so much Indian to her designs. So I wanted to buy a nail polish from her collection since a very long time, and finally I've got this. I'm really satisfied with this product because the consistency of this nail paint is really good, the quality is really good, and it stays for quite a really long time. So the next product which I'm going to show you is also a nail paint because I'm obsessed with nail paints, and this one is from K by Katrina. It is their Nail Nourish Nail Lacquer, and this shade is called Nutty 21. This is the shade I'm wearing right now. It is a beautiful nude shade, and the quality of this nail paint is also really good. This lasts for quite a long time, and it also does not get chip off easily. If you are looking for some really good nude shades, then you should definitely check out K Beauty's nail paints because they have a lot of variety in nude shades, and the quality is also top notch. And the MRP of this nail paint is ₹225, which I think is a decent price for a good quality nail paint. So the next product which I'm going to show you is so relevant to the previous two products because this is all-in-one top coat and base coat from Nykaa. This is called the Nykaa 7-in-1 Nail Spa all-in-one coat, and the price of this product is ₹249. I would definitely recommend this product because you don't need to invest in one separate base coat and one separate top coat. You can apply this as a base coat, then you'll apply two coats of your favorite nail polish, and then you'll apply this as a top coat to seal the nail polish so that it doesn't get chipped off easily, and also the nail paint stays for a really long time on your nails. So now I'm going to show you the last product which I've got from Nykaa, and this is a lipstick from my favorite collection, Masaba by Nykaa. The outer packaging is the main attraction of this lipstick because with each different shade you get a different packaging, and I believe this is designed by Masaba. I'm not sure, but I do believe in that. And the shade also has a very quirky name, Killing Me Softly. Like all these shades have really quirky names, and let me show you how the color looks like. This is the shade I'm wearing right now on my lips. I feel the color is so beautiful. I'm really looking forward of buying more shades from her collection because these shades are specially meant for Indian skin tone, which is such a great thing. Okay, so let's start with the products I've got from Myntra. I've got two shorts from Myntra, and this is the first one. This is in the classic black color, and this is called tailored shorts, I feel. This gives a really good loose fit, and if you wear it with a well-fitted top wear, this looks super classy. I've been eyeing these type of shorts from a really long time, and finally I purchased them. This is from the brand Tokyo Talkies, and I've got them in the size 30. shorts which I got from Myntra is this one. This is also from the same brand, Tokyo Talkies, and I got this in the size 30. I believe that this is called paperback shorts because of this clinched waist. This is in the beige color and it has white stripes over it. While buying both of these shorts, I kept this in mind that I'll buy colors which can be paired with most of my tops. So I got one in black and I got another one in beige. So you can pair this with most of your tops. The material of these shorts are also really good. It is really soft. On to the next product, I got a pair of white jeans from Myntra. This is from the brand Marston Harbour and I also got this one in the size 30. The material of this jeans is really good. This is not at all see-through. It is quite stretchable and it gives a really good fit. This is a skinny fit jeans and the fit is really nice. This is really comfortable. You can wear this all day long. And when it comes to buying jeans, buying them online can sometimes be a little tricky because you won't get the perfect fit always. But I was also a little hesitant while buying this, but once it came and I tried it out, I saw that the fit is really good and I would definitely recommend this product. The links will be given in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Now I'll be showing the last product from this haul, and this is not a clothing item which I've got from Myntra, but this is a belt which my mom has got for herself. This is in the size 34 and the color of this belt is beige. This is from the brand Calvados. I've never shopped from this brand before, but I can assure you the material and the quality of this belt is really good, so you can definitely check this out. I hope you all enjoyed watching my Myntra and Nykaa haul video. Please give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. Also, let me know in the comment section below which videos do you want to watch next. Until next time, bye-bye.